Hi friends, this is Amol Bhar from Vidisha Infotech. Hope you like my first video of Tally Prime introduction. So let's get started further. So I will be starting the Tally Prime screen. And as usual, continue to education mode. In today's video, we will be learning some of the following features of Tally ERP 9, or we can say Tally Prime. So the features are as follows. It is overview of start screen, then advanced features of Tally Prime, which we have to enable or disable, chart of accounts, groups, ledgers and voucher type lists. Then we will see banking, balance sheet and profit and loss. So let's get started. But here first I have to create a company, as we have deleted the company in our previous video. So I'll double click on it and I will put on the data. You can put any of your data which you require, as this is your homework. You need to create a company. For Tally Prime with proper address, proper phone number and proper details. You can take the reference of this while creating your company. Or if you have any doubt, you can mail me on this email ID. You can go in the mail also. Here I will be starting my balance sheet and books of accounts from 1st September 2021, as I have started the video trainings from this month only. And note students, this is a live training session. What I will perform for my company, I will be teaching you. So you can say this is as an corporate training also. So here, now in our previous video we saw that these features are limited features. There were limited features. So let's count it. some more features. Here it is. So here we get the list of all the features available here with us. Now if I require more features than this, for that what I will have to do, I will have to select yes and press enter. So here all the features are available here. Here look, the accounting features, the inventory features, taxation features, then online access, then payrolls, and in others. So let's configure this. Here we have to keep it yes. Here also it is yes. Here now here it has been given no, so we will have to enable interest calculations, as we will be performing some advanced programming in the further. So here maintain inventory is set to yes, integrate accounts with inventory, it is set to yes, multiple price levels yes, sorry, here it is no. Then but we need to press yes. So enable branches, we will say yes, as we will be using the go downs, that's why. So here enable job order processing, here we will set it to no, as this feature, that is job online order processing, then cost tracking, job costing, it comes in the advanced tally that we will be learning in the further videos. So for that we will have to wait for 4, 5, 6 videos. After that we will be dealing with this, that is order processing, cost tracking, job costing. Yeah, after that it is GST is enabled, as we did in the previous lecture. So here we can perform the additional taxes, additional features also we can assign, but here we will be leaving it as it is. Yes. Now here it is tax deducted as source, we will see as no. TCS tax collected at source, we will see as no. Here for value added taxes, it is for the products. So here we are not providing products, we are providing services. So what we have to enable is the service tax, and yes, I have enabled it. Here I have to put the service tax registration number, which I will put. So it is my company's proprietorship. So set alter service tax details, I will put it yes, and here I'll put the next service tax. Here I will put 24%, education fees, that is 2.5%, secondary education fees, that is 2.5%, and here 0.5, and here my service tax details have been saved. So here, and then manage payroll, yes, enable payroll statutory. So this I will be enabling when we will learn how to interact with payroll system. And so in this way I have configured my company name in Vidisha and footer. Now here we have directed to the gateway of Tally. This is the heart of Tally. In that we have masters, then we have transactions, then we have the utilities like banking, then reports like balance sheet, profit and loss accounts, stock summary, ratio analysis, then we have display more reports, we have exit. So here we'll see the chart of accounts. Now chart of accounts have three majors, that is accounting masters, inventory masters, and payroll masters. The most used is accounting masters and inventory masters, but inventory masters usage is a further delayed. So we will see the accounting master groups, ledgers, and voucher types. So let's see, we can see it by clicking on it. So here is the list of groups. First is branch and division. It is used to define a bank branch or a company division. Then capital accounts. Then we have reserves and surpluses. Then in current assets we are having bank accounts, cash in hand, deposits, loan and advances, stock in hand, sundry debtors, current liabilities. In the current liabilities we are having duties and taxes, provisions, sundry creditors, direct expenses, direct incomes, fixed assets, indirect expenses, indirect incomes, then investments, loan and liabilities, bank overdraft accounts, then secured loans, unsecured loans, miscellaneous expenses, then purchases, sales, and suspense account. So these are the list of groups which we will be using in our entire Tally syllabus. So these are one of the most important things to remember while we are learning Tally Prime. So let's get to the ledgers. So ledgers are also the same, but here it is defined in assets and liabilities. So in current assets we are having bank account, cash in hand, that is cash, then deposits, loan and advances, advance accounting, stock in hand, sundry debtors, then fixed assets, investments, miscellaneous expenses. Now coming to the liabilities, it is branch and divisions, then capital accounts, reserves and surplus, current liabilities, duties and taxes, provisions, sundry creditors, loans, that is liability, bank overdraft account, that is also liability, secured loan, unsecured loan, and suspense account is also a part of liability. Now coming to the profit and loss accounts. Profit and loss accounts comes when we have a perfect trial balance or data. So this we will be learning in the further in this video. So here in the income part also, there is income part also and expense part also. Expenses, there is direct expenses, indirect expenses and purchase accounts. And in income we are having direct income, indirect income and sales account. So is this clear? You can note it down or you can just go through your installation and can view this. Now coming to the voucher types. There are many voucher types and we know that very well and we use it in our daily real life also. So some of the voucher names are, there is attendance, then contra, credit note, debit note, delivery note, job work in order, job work out order, journal, materials in, materials out, memorandum, payment, payroll, physical stock, purchase, purchase order, receipt, receipt note, rejection note, rejection in, rejection out. Then we have reversing journals, sales, sales order, stock and journal. Now contra, credit note and debit note, these three vouchers are used in by the customer and there are three users. There is customer, the salesperson through which we are purchasing that, and the dealer. These three persons are involved in credit note and debit note. So delivery note, in delivery note the shopkeeper is involved. Shopkeeper and also in the point of view of a the sales company and its consumer. So then we have journal voucher is used in our trial balance. Then materials in, materials out. From this you can know that what is the input of material and what is the output of material. Then payments, payrolls, physical stock, purchases, purchase order, receipt note, rejections in and rejections out, reversing journals, sales order and stock journal. So these are the types of vouchers which we will be using in Tally ERP 9, or we can say Tally Prime throughout. So I'll skip this. Then we have inventory masters. This will be enabled once we start doing entries with it, and same here with the payroll management. It deals with our customers or employees' salary, then wages and all the other things. Now coming to the banking section. Now in the banking section we deal with check printing, check register, post dated summary of the check, then deposit slip, payment advice, and bank reconciliation. So this thing we will be learning further when we will come to the banking part. Then again we have balance sheet. In the balance sheet there is defined as capital accounts in the liabilities section and current assets in the assets section. So here we will be dealing with the sections. Our data will be there, and finally we come to the profit and loss accounts. Here it will show the profit and loss of my company when I do the general entries. Stock summary, ratio analysis, and I will click on display more reports. So here it is: trial balance, day book, cash flow, funds flow, accounts book, statement of accounts. Then in the inventory section, inventory books, inventory deals with the products and goods, the sales and purchase of the products. All these things are dealt by the inventory books and statement of inventory. Then we have statutory reports, payroll reports. Payroll keeps the records of all the employees, their payments, their salaries, the FD, the RDs, the provident fund, and so on. And then exception reports and analysis and verification. So this all are present, and we will be performing some of the actions throughout our Tally ERP 9 or Tally Prime tutorials. So this is it in this video, and your homework is to create a company with your choice, your name, and do the following settings which I have done today. So you will be able to create a company, and then in our further lectures we will be seeing how to create ledgers and so on. So please subscribe my channel. Bye, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe.